All right, hi everybody. In this video, we're going to look at global and local variables. Where are you going to declare your variables? Last time we looked at the difference between const and let. Now we're going to look at where you're declaring them. In this setup, I've declared variables in three different positions. I've declared variable at the beginning of the program, variable A. I've declared a variable in the setup function, that's variable B. And I've declared a variable in the draw function. Okay, that's variable C. So variable A is at the beginning of the program, variable B is inside the setup, and variable C is inside the draw. Now I'm going to try and print them inside the setup function. I'm going to try and print A, B, and C, and I'm going to try and print A, B, C variables inside the draw function, and we will see what happens. Okay, so I'm going to hit play, and I have an error message here. C is not defined at line 13. So inside the setup function, I cannot print C. Remember, C was declared in the draw function. So the variable inside the draw function is not communicating inside the setup function. That is not allowed. Okay, so I'm just going to comment that out and see what happens. I have another error. Error, B is not defined. Line 22. So inside the draw function, I'm trying to print B. B is declared inside the setup function. So this variable declared in the setup function is not communicating with the draw function, right? It's only communicating inside the setup function. So I cannot print this variable. So I'm just going to comment that out. And now everything works. So let's see what happens. So when you declare a variable at the beginning of the program, that is called a global variable. That can be used inside every function in your program. Okay, global variable you can use everywhere. Local variables are declared inside a function. So if you declare a variable inside the setup function, you can only use it inside setup function. And if you declare a variable inside the draw function, you can only use it inside the draw function. Outside of it, no one knows what C is. That is the difference between global and local variables. Global variables can be used everywhere in your program. Local variables can only be used inside of a function. So when you're keeping track of things with a variable, you need to know, inside this function, do I need to know what this value is? And do I need to change it inside that function, right?